Nice little setup.
Yeah, it's easy for one man to handle, you know?
Yeah, that's all you need. That's why I got this little boat right here. Perfect size for me.
Yeah.
It ain't too much, you know?
I like it a lot.
Appreciate it.
Go ahead and get out ahead of me because I'm going to have to fuck around with my damn trailer.
Okay.
You got a YouTube channel, man?
Yeah, I got it on Cheese Eater.
What is it?
134. Cheese Eater.
CZ?
Cheese Eater.
Oh, Cheese Eater.
Cheese Eater, yeah.
Cheese
Pull
Eater.
it up pull it up. We check it out.
My daughter got a channel. She fishes. She works over at the bait store.
Oh yeah?
At Port
Where?
Port Richie over there at the boat landing.
Port Landing?
At
Port Landing, okay.
Port Richie at the Cootie River.
But see, I just finally got this motor right, so I'm gonna be going everywhere.
If you go out in the Gulf, you go out over there where the casino boat goes.
Casino boat, okay.
She works over there at the bait depot.
Okay.
She got a channel she started a
Yeah,
couple of years
man.
ago. Now she was
I'm just getting into it, you know.
She was bass fishing, and now she's
Subscribe to the channel, man.
shark fishing.
Yeah, man, I love it, man. Peace of mind.
All one word. Cheese Eater.
Cheese Eater 134. You'll see it.
There you go.
Me holding up the bass right there. Right there. Got a lot of bass videos and dope bite videos and stuff.
I'll check it out, dude.
Subscribe to it.
Yeah, I did already.
Okay. Good man.
You got it, dude. I know how that shit works.
Oh yeah.
You get any video today?
Yeah, I got a couple of them. Nice, jumped up on me, Nice one, man.
Over there, you need to go to Pasadena, man. Especially
Pasadena?
That YouTube channel. You got to go over there.
Yeah.
All you got to do, take this road back into Dade City. When you get to 52,
52.
you go down 52, back over towards St. Leo,
Okay.
and you'll come to a stoplight out there at I think they call it Prospect Road now.
Prospect.
You go left there, and then go left on Clinton Avenue, and you go around two curves.
Yeah.
And then that lake's over there on the right.
Two curves.
I'm telling you, man, it's 5 times the size of this one. Covered with little bass. Covered.
Giants in there.
I've seen 14-pound bass that came out of there.
Yeah.
I ain't
True
caught one.
trophies, boy.
Huh?
True trophies.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got to mount him.
Oh yeah, it's mounted up.
You got to mount him.
I can drive it on if it's better.
I'll see if I can find a picture.
Yeah, I just mounted one an 8-pounder. You'll
you?
see it on there.
There was an 8.5-pounder my buddy caught out of here.
Out of here?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago? Okay.
Let's see if I can go. Not even that far. Pictures of Pasadena. I usually take pictures of when I'm out in the Gulf with my daughter because she done quit bass fishing.
Oh yeah?
All she wants to do is go out and go. That's Chazzy Whiskey.
Chaz of whiskey.
Yeah, you ever go up there?
Yeah, I've been there 1 or 2
Oh
times.
God, man, there's bass in that river.
Yeah.
Just crazy. It's just
Giant.
crazy. I got a picture in here somewhere. One I didn't have nothing to measure him with, and I was in my kayak. I
Yeah.
laid him down. He's from here to here. I don't know how much.
Yeah, he was long.
My damn wire got wet.
Yeah.
I've seen no Pasadena in here.